My last outfit is this one. We are going to go in with my beloved teddy coat. I love the interior of them. It's just so iconic, isn't it? Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. It's one of our favorite videos because it's in partnership with Farfetch. I know you guys love these videos because every single time I work with them, they give me a discount code, which I say all the time, but honestly, you never ever stop asking me for this code. So I'll leave it on screen now. I'll also pop it in the description box down below. That gets you 10% off over on the Farfetch website. There are a few brand exclusions, but most of our faves are included. But honestly guys, it makes me realise you all love shopping as much as I do, which is a great thing. After we've done the Farfetch unboxing, I'm then going to show you between 7 and 8 wearable autumn winter outfits that you can see on this rail behind me here. A few of these outfits you may have already seen over the last week or so on my Instagram, but I wanted to show you in more detail over here as well. And I just feel like they're really great staple outfits for this coming season. So let's get on with the unboxing. Now I have already personally unboxed the pieces I got from Farfetch because I'm like a child at Christmas and I can't wait. However, I did want to show you the size of this box that one of the things I picked up came in. Like, it's literally not that much smaller than me. Now the box that was inside the box is pretty much just as big. Have any of you got any guesses on what could be inside here? I feel like a few of you might think this is a bit of a strange thing for me to pick up, but it's something I've been after for the longest time, and if you knew how I dress kind of on nights out and things like that, it would all make sense. So, as always, everything is beautifully packaged when you get things from Farfetch. All the original packaging, of course. Now, I have already tried these on. I mean, you kind of guessing they are a pair of shoes. So I've unpackaged them already, which is why it kind of looks like this. So if you haven't guessed already, they are a pair of knee-high boots. These are the Cassidy Blade boots. I mean, are they not just stunning? I am so obsessed with the heel on them. They are just unbelievable. These are actually something I've wanted for the longest time. I have seen many people with these on nights out, on Instagram, and I just think they look unbelievable. I love to wear like a knee-high boot and like an oversized t-shirt or an oversized blazer on a night out, and I just knew that these would be such a staple piece in my wardrobe and something that over the years I'm going to get so much wear out of. I actually picked them up with a 110mm heel because you can get different heights of the heel. The heel itself is so thin, but actually from like wearing them around my apartment, they are surprisingly comfortable. Then the rest of the boot is this gorgeous black suede. You can get them in different colours, and you can also get like full leather ones as well, which are really gorgeous too. But I just think they're fab. I think they're like a very sexy shoe, great for dinners, dates, nights out. I mean, you could definitely wear them in the daytime as well. I'm going to show you how to style them up and kind of casual them down as well as wearing them dressed up as well. But that's the first thing that I picked up from Farfetch. And then with those boots in mind, I had an idea to wear them with an oversized t-shirt. I love that look of wearing kind of like a sexy over the knee boot with a really casual look. So I then went onto the Farfetch website and I found this little beauty. So this is obviously a Balenciaga t-shirt. It is actually from the men's section. This is something that's kind of like a bit different for me. If you've watched my videos for a long time, you know I'm all about wearing kind of high street affordable clothing, but along with designer accessories. So I really think you can elevate any high street outfit with designer accessories, so whether that be your bag, your shoes, and I just kind of usually steer away from designer clothing, mainly because of the price tag, and sometimes I feel like if I'm not going to wear something enough times, it's just not worth me splurging the money on it. However, things like a black t-shirt, my goodness, I wear them so much. And I know I'm going to get a lot of wear out of this. It's very timeless. It's something I can wear multiple different ways. So as I say, this is men's. I actually picked it up in a size medium. But the way I plan on wearing this, first of all, is actually with the knee-high boots. That look might not be for everyone, but personally, I absolutely love it for nights out. With an oversized blazer over the top as well, I always think it looks so great. It's like a really cool, casual way of dressing up, in my opinion anyway. So this t-shirt's got really minimal branding on the front with just the Balenciaga over on the left-hand side. But on the back, it has got Balenciaga written in this big print. There are different versions of this t-shirt, so some of them just have this and not the bit on the back if you didn't like the over-the-top branding. However, with me, I like things being overly branded, so I really love the fact that this has this on the back as well. I also can't wait to wear this with leather trousers and like heeled boots. You can dress it down in the daytime with, once again, leather trousers, jeans and a pair of Jordans or something like that. I just know it's something that I'm going to wear so much. So for me, it was a real investment piece. And then the next thing I picked up from Farfetch is this. So as you can see, I went a little bit crazy on the Balenciaga. I mean, it is definitely one of my favourite brands. So this has got, of course, the big Balenciaga across the front. The writing is different to the one on the t-shirt though, so it's slightly different branding. It just feels like the most incredible quality hoodie. This is also men's, and I also picked it up in a size medium. This is also something you could opt to wear as a dress if you wanted to. It is long enough to do that. However, I think it looks really nice with, once again, black leather leggings. It looks really nice layered with this t-shirt, with so many different things. And if you know me from Instagram or even my previous videos, you know how much I love a hoodie. I feel like, I mean, a black hoodie is such a staple wardrobe piece. And so for me, this is another piece that I knew I'd wear so much, and it was also another real investment piece for my wardrobe. So those were the pieces that I picked up from Farfetch, but as you guys know, they have so many different brands over on their website and always have huge stock levels of everything as well. So this first outfit is actually starting off with this jumper that I actually picked up from H&M. I think it was last week. This is actually from the men's section as well. As you can tell, I love to shop in the men's section. Why not? I just love the fit of their stuff so much more. So this, as you can see, is a classic cable knit cream jumper. I picked it up in a size medium. I love how long this is because it's so great to wear with leather trousers. As you know, I love my leather trousers in autumn winter. So these are a little bit different to a regular leather trouser because they're almost like a coated pair of jeans. They're super stretchy though and very comfortable. This outfit actually looks really nice without a coat, just the chunky knit, the leather trousers, and then you could either pop on a pair of heeled boots or flat chunky boots for a daytime look. However, it is getting cooler, and so the jacket that I would wear with it is a trench coat. Now this I actually picked up, I think it was last year now, and it's a vintage Burberry trench coat. You can actually pick these up over on Farfetch as well. I mean, they have an amazing selection of the Burberry trenches. I feel like this is a real classic investment piece in your wardrobe. I mean, Burberry trench coats have been around for the longest time ever, and I feel like if you're going to splurge on one, you're never really going to regret it. I love the interior of them. It's just so iconic, isn't it? So this is an outfit that I would definitely wear every single day. It's a really comfy outfit, but at the same time I think it looks really nice, and it's a real timeless kind of everyday look. Now, my next outfit, I already said this, but if you follow me on Instagram, you've definitely seen this already. And it is my favourite coat, I feel like, ever. I actually picked this coat up from H&M. It was like, I want to say at least 3 years ago. It could have been 4, you know. And it's just incredible. I will link some similar houndstooth coats below. I feel like houndstooth, like the Burberry trench I just showed you, is a print that every single year comes back in. It is one of my all-time favourite prints. I said that in one of my last videos where I showed you the houndstooth coat that was in brown and black. I just absolutely adore the print. I think it's so nice. So this is the coat I'm going to be wearing, and then the jumper underneath is actually long enough to wear as a dress. I picked this up from Naked a couple of weeks ago, so I'll be able to link that down below for you guys. So over on Instagram, I actually dressed this outfit down with my Prada loafers, so you could wear it that way. You could also wear it with a chunky boot. However, you could definitely dress it up with the Cassidy boots. I love that look when you're wearing a really long coat, and then as you walk you see the knee-high boots underneath the coat. I think it's such a great look. So if you were going out for dinner and you wanted to wear kind of like a black knit dress, you could wear those boots with it, wear this over the top to keep you warm, and I think that is an absolutely great look. Now this next outfit is so heavy but it is the most classic me outfit of all time. I had to feature this because honestly it's an outfit that I wear every single autumn winter without fail, and also multiple times. So starting off first of all with a pair of classic blue mum jeans. These ones are my trusty Zara ones. I honestly have about 10 pairs of these jeans. I wear them to death, but I just love them so much. I then am going to pair with it a classic white knit. This one is actually also from Zara. It's a little bit itchy, I have to say, but I have a really lovely one from New Look just recently, so I will link that one down below as this one is a little bit old. Then to finish the look, we are going to go in with my beloved Teddy coat. So this is very Max Mara vibes. It is a real sheepskin. It is the heaviest thing ever. It will no doubt keep you warm, because honestly, if it's not a cold day and you're wearing this, you are going to be sweating, let me tell you. But when it's really cold out, this will be your best friend ever. This is an outfit for me that honestly takes me anywhere. It's something that I feel super comfortable in. I always love the contrast between the brown and the denim. I would just also say, if you're not into blue denim, this outfit does also look so nice with black leather trousers as well. My next outfit is something that I absolutely love to wear in autumn winter time. I love an all white or all cream outfit. I just don't think anything beats it, to be honest. So this dress I actually picked up and showed you guys in my last haul, and it is from Naked. This coat is actually a few years old now. I picked it up from Zara, I believe. I actually picked it up when I went on a trip to Paris, which was, I think, about 2 years ago. However, there are so many gorgeous cream coats out there at the moment, so I will link something similar down below. So this outfit can be worn different ways. If I was going to wear it with this knit, I would obviously wear this as a dress. I then have the most gorgeous new cream just under my knee boots, which you'll probably see me in a cutaway right now. So this is like an outfit where you, I don't know, you can wear it in the daytime, you're going somewhere where you want to look nice, maybe drinks for the girls, like a brunch. You can go for afternoon tea or something like that, where you want to look dressy but also like not too over the top. I feel like this is an absolutely perfect outfit for that. However, I know that not everyone likes to kind of wear dresses or get their legs out or things like that, so that look might not be for you. So you could switch this out for the cream jumper, which I showed you with the Teddy coat, which is actually just here. I mean, don't you just love how I do that? It's honestly like magic. So you could wear it with a shorter jumper. You could then wear a pair of kind of cream leather leggings and then like a cream boot. I actually picked up the boots that you're seeing me in right now in H&M. They did sell out really quick, so once again, I'll try and link something similar down below. I just love a cream outfit this time of year. I just don't think you can beat it. I mean, all cream or all black are just two of my fave things to wear ever, to be honest. So as I just mentioned, a full black look, it has to be done right now. So starting off first of all with my black duster coat. This is once again something that everyone really should have in their wardrobe. A black coat, I have multiple of them, and this one is a fab one. This one is actually cashmere. I picked it up a few years ago now. Obviously with these kind of materials you do pay more, but I feel like they're really investment pieces. And I mean, as I say, I've had this for 3 years and it still looks brand new. So I really do think when you invest in pieces like that, it pays off in the long run as well. Then this is the same knit kind of dress jumper I wore underneath the houndstooth coat from Naked. This outfit, like that outfit, can be worn multiple different ways. So you could wear it with a flat chunky just under the knee boot for a casual daytime look. However, it does look so lovely with my Cassidy boots. I feel like it's a really understated, sexy look, and for me, one of my absolute favourites. Once again though, like I did with the cream outfit, if you're not one for getting your legs out, which I totally understand, especially as it gets cooler, you could wear this coat so easily with a black jumper like this one. This is actually one that I picked up from New Look a few weeks ago. And the coated black jeans or a pair of leather trousers, a chunky boot. So it gives you the same overall look, which is like a really gorgeous all black outfit, but obviously you haven't got your legs out, and so it just kind of like keeps you warmer and dresses it down slightly. So this next outfit actually featured on my Instagram not so long ago, and I just had to show you guys because everyone over there really loved it. This jacket I picked up from Naked. Are you guys bored of me telling you how much stuff I got from Naked just recently? It's like my newfound love. Anyway, on Instagram I actually wore it with a hoodie. However, I kind of wanted to wear it a little bit different over here. So I've gone back with that cream jumper just so I can show you can wear things multiple different ways. So we're wearing that underneath, and then for the trousers we're going in with the blue jeans I wore with the teddy jacket. Here they are. And then it looks so good with like a cream pair of military boots. Once again, this is a very kind of casual daytime look. You could though put on a heel if you wanted to really dress it up. I actually have a really nice pair of cream sock boots which look really good with this outfit. However, like for me, it's just something that I would just wear out in the daytime, and it's another outfit that's really fail safe, really comfy, and I just think it looks really nice as well. Do you know what? I've actually completely lost track of how many outfits I've done. I think this is going to be number 8. But anyway, my last outfit is this one. So this is an oversized cardigan. I actually wore this not so long ago with a black skirt. So you'll have either seen that on YouTube, but it's definitely over on my Instagram as well. So multiple ways you could wear this. However, today I'm actually going to be styling this with a classic white shirt. You guys know I absolutely love to layer with a white shirt. And I love it when you layer with a white shirt and a cardigan, how much of the white shirt, how many times I want to say the word white shirt. But yeah, I love how much of the shirt you can see underneath the cardigan. Then of course for trousers, you could wear jeans with it. You could definitely wear the blue jeans I showed you earlier. However, I love to wear with this outfit once again the black coated skinnies or a good pair of leather leggings. Once again, you could wear it with heeled boots if you wanted to dress up a little bit. You could wear it with biker boots. That's what I'm going to opt for. If the weather gets a little bit cooler, it looks so good with a trench coat. So once again, with the Burberry trench coat that I showed you a little bit earlier. However, I do have another trench coat which I'm going to show you. So I actually picked this one up from New Look, and I think it's a really great affordable trench coat option. As much as I love the Burberry one, they obviously are a bit of a splurge. So if you wanted something that was a little bit less money, this one would be so perfect and go so great with this outfit as well. So that was all the outfits I wanted to show you. I hope so much you've enjoyed this video. As always, everything featured will be linked down below, including my Farfetch discount code, so don't forget that. If you don't already, I would love it so much if you subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. And I hope so much I will see you in my next video. Take care of yourselves, guys. Bye bye.